as they say. How much is good enough to start a small scale industry or a small scale enterprise with, that will not necessarily, be a burden on someone out there who is looking to start in his or her own business?
Let me say it this way, and I'll try to quote Richard Cantillon. What you need to go into business is what? Richard?
I think first you need an idea.
An idea. What you need to go into any form of business is the basic idea.
Yeah.
If you are the type that want to go into business and the person you are thinking about capital, you are not going to start. So instead of asking you how much capital you will need, I'll simply say, I don't know. But one big thing you always need to do any business is the idea. The money will come.
And possibly
people have been described in this country, if you go through their biography, who had nothing to start a business, just went to a friend. Out of what you are selling, give me. I'll go and sell for you and do a margin of a markup. From my own markup over the years, I will have money. I'll add up my markup. Now they're in a conglomerate.
Wow.
Do you understand? So for small scale enterprises, I would simply say the initial thinking is not capital. You are a professional. You are a professional. Tell me today if you want to go into business. I think of capital.
No.
But the capital can be here as well.
Yeah.
So what we call capital in the sense of entrepreneurship is not in terms of naira and kobo. There is human capital.
Yes.
And most SMEs, they rule that out at the beginning, that human capital is also capital that can launch you into any business.
Most people forget.
They forget that what they're looking at is money. Ask the Bill Gates of this world. Go read their biography. How they started. They didn't think of how much they had.
So I get it.
The
ideas rule the world. Ideas rule the
It's
world.
an idea.
And it's from your idea that you can, grow a monster. It's like a monster seed that once you have that idea and you put it into the ground and you begin to nurture it and you begin to till, to take care of it, it begins to grow. And before you know it, it becomes something that expands. So for someone out there, I want you to know that you don't need so much money to start your business. The question is, do you have an idea? Is there something that keeps going on in your mind that you think you can offer to people as value? Is there any value that you think you can add to the society? Is there any value that you think you can add to your environment, to your community? Look around you. Think about the things that need to be done, the things that are lacking, the things that will create value for people, and then begin to nurture your ideas around those things and see how you can start a business off of it. And possibly if you have a skill that you have taken as an hobby, you can also use that as a starting point to create a business.